What are you doing? I told you, didn't I? I know you're listed as my emergency contact, but no, I didn't want you to worry. Yeah, I think I'm okay. I just need a little fluids or something. The doctor said something about letting that IV run and then see how things are going. No. I kind of brought this onto myself, I think. I forgot to bring my water bottle into work, and I was too busy to remember, and things just happened. I know. And that's why I didn't really want you to know, because of this. You worry too much, you know? You'll be fine. I mean, I don't think anything is gonna happen in here, and I'm out of the sun, and apparently getting some fluids and stuff, and it should just resolve on its own. I know. Yeah, no. No. This is kind of entirely my own fault. I should have probably taken care of that, and no. It's okay. I'll be fine. I told you. No. You don't have to talk to any of the nurses or anything. I promise. The doctor just did some test stuff, and then they were hooking me up to this IV bag thing and told me to just wait it out until that thing is empty, and then they will check on me again, and if things are okay by then, they will probably let me go home. Yeah, exactly. That's the plan. Oh yeah, there wasn't anything else. I said that when they brought me in, it was kind of, how to say, it was great timing in a bad situation, because if I would have stayed out longer, then things might have gotten a little worse. But no, it's nothing severe or anything. I will fully recover. No, I'm fine. I just I don't know. Things are a little strange. Everything feels a little bit fuzzy, and I'm just tired. Got a killer headache, but that's just what you gotta expect if you spend a lot of time out there in that disgusting weather. Yeah, it's about time it's gonna cool down a little bit. Exactly. I vote for summer to be over and just going for autumn straight away. I know. I know. I will just make sure to keep my water with me from now on, so this won't happen again. Yes, I know. I know I already should have known better, but you know, that's me. Chaos behind every corner. Ow! God damn it. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm okay. I'm okay. Oh, please take that finger from that cop. I'm fine. Good. Seriously, please just stop buying so much. No, no. The doctor said that I'll be fine. As much as I don't really want to admit that, but maybe they're right and I just need to get some rest and I'll be fine. Mm-hmm. No, no. Okay, you don't have to get me anything. Mm-mm. No, no. Since you're already here, maybe you can just stay until they won't let me go. Mm-hmm. Kind of sucks being here all alone. Even though I don't know if I will actually be awake until then. Mm-hmm. No, no. Maybe you can just wake me up once that thing is empty and we can get somebody in here to do those final check things and finally let me go home. Mm-hmm. Yeah. No, no. My car is still at work. I guess you're right. In the end, I would have needed to call you, so. Ah, no, no, oh no. I could have taken a cab or something, but yeah, I don't think I really planned that through. Yeah, well, it is what it is. You know, actually, now that I kind of think about it, maybe it was a little bit dumb to try and not have uh, you always figure things out no matter what I try. How do you even do that? Hey, I'm not that predictable. Maybe a little, just a little bit. Mm, no, no, not always. Not always. Mm, no. Yes, yeah. Could we go for something cold when we get home? Hmm. Do we still have that? Okay, so maybe we can just get that out of the freezer and call it dinner. Hmm. No, no, I don't mind. I know. Usually I'm the one making sure that whatever we fix up for dinner is at least somewhat balanced, but you know, on rare instances, just ice cream can be a perfectly fine dinner substitute. We do still have the raspberry one, don't we? But I wanted some. When it's not too late when we get home, can we stop somewhere and get a tub of that, please? I know. But yes, I know you'd rather just get me home right away and just no. I mean, yes, the doctor is probably gonna advise that I will not do much for the rest of the day. But, I can wait in the car. That thing has air conditioning after all, so I will be fine. And that way I could still get that raspberry ice cream. Oh, come on. Please. I knew it. I knew it. You probably wouldn't say no anyway. hmm No. As long as I got that, I will. Yeah, for once I will do whatever you say and not complain. Maybe. Just maybe. hmm Yeah, they said it's gonna take a little while, but wait a second. Hmm. Why do they put that link so I can barely even see it? It's not fair. I think it's like about half empty already, and I think it's just gonna be another hour or so. It shouldn't be too long. hmm No. I think I can manage to stay awake until that happens. No. We've already come here and you're gonna wait and everything, so you don't have to just sit here and get bored out of your mind because I'm just napping away one time. I know, but yeah, I know, but it's okay. I'm fine. I'm just no. I already told you I'm okay. I just a little bit beaten by the sun. Yeah, and eventually I will seek revenge. No, I don't know how. Maybe I don't know, throw snowballs at the sun when it's snowing or something. No. Who said I have to make sense? No, no. If you want to prove a point, I want to see that written on paper, like an official document that's saying I absolutely have to make sense. hmm No. I'm still awake. I'm just, I don't know, maybe Maybe I really am kind of falling asleep. I'm sorry. No, no, it's okay. You are alright. So, are you gonna wake me up when that back thing is empty? I kind of want to get out of here as soon as we can.